Well, this very sick baby boy just flew hundreds of miles to the one place that gives him the best hope of recovering, Boston Children's Hospital. The 5-month-old and his parents flew up yesterday from New Orleans.
This baby was born with a hole in his stomach, and his community rallied around his family, making sure that he had the chance to get some potentially life-saving treatment. Tears of gratitude and hugs goodbye for a frantic New Orleans couple as nurses brought their very sick baby to a waiting plane.
It's amazing. I mean, they were kind of at a dead-end road where he's at. I mean, there's so much more that they can do there.
There is Boston Children's Hospital, where a surgical team was waiting to treat their son, Hayes.
Very important. It's pretty much going to be life-saving.
Hayes was born with gastroschisis, a rare birth defect that causes the baby's intestines to extend outside his stomach through a hole near his belly button. His mother, Catherine, says her baby's liver was starting to fail.
His eyes were very yellow-green, and that means that the damage was starting, and it can affect other organs and the brain.
The need for care so urgent, the family launched a GoFundMe page, and the New Orleans community raised more than $27,000 to get him to Children's, which specializes in his condition.
A heartfelt and the kindness and the generosity from the entire community, from family, from friends. We're so grateful to all you guys.
So that little baby's already gone through 4 surgeries in 5 months. Doctors at Children's hope that the drugs they're giving him now will bring the boy's bilirubin levels down before they schedule any more procedures.
And if there's one place to be, it is at Children's Hospital. We are wishing Hayes and his family the absolute best.
Absolutely.